In this video, we will talk about how to change time format in Windows 11. Method 1. Settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, go to Time and Language. Then Language and Region. Scroll down to Regional Format and click on it. Now, click on Date and Time Format. In short time, choose 12-hour format. Method 2. Control Panel. Click in Search. Type Control Panel. Select Open. Click on Clock and Region. Then Region. Click on Additional Settings. Select Time tab. In short time, set HMMTT, the 12-hour format. Click on Apply and OK. That's all for today. See you in the next video.